In this video, you'll learn how to make gradient text in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're aiming for a vibrant neon look, a captivating rainbow effect, or a cinematic color blend, gradient text can add an exciting layer of creativity to your projects. Let me guide you through this process in a few simple steps. First, you need to select your Text Plus clip. Once you have that highlighted, navigate to the Fusion page. The Fusion page is where all the magic happens, providing you with powerful tools to create stunning visual effects and motion graphics. Next, you'll want to click on the Text Plus node. This is your gateway to customizing your text with various effects and settings. Once you've selected the Text Plus node, turn your attention to the inspector panel. Here, you'll find a variety of options to tweak and modify your text appearance. In the inspector, open up the shading tab. The shading tab is where you can really start to experiment with different visual styles, including our focus today, creating a gradient effect. Make sure you enable element 1. This step is crucial because it allows you to apply changes specifically to the text element you're working with. Once element 1 is enabled, you'll need to change the appearance to gradient. This is a pivotal step as it transforms your text from a solid color into a beautiful gradient. Now comes the fun part, adding multiple color points along the gradient bar. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine. By clicking along the gradient bar, you can introduce various colors that will blend into each other, creating a seamless transition. Once you've chosen your colors, it's time to adjust their position. You can drag each color point to fine-tune where each color starts and ends. This allows you to achieve the exact look you're going for, whether it's a subtle shift or a bold, dramatic change. Another important adjustment is the interpolation. This setting lets you choose between smooth or sharp transitions between colors. Smooth interpolation will give you a more gradual and fluid blend, while sharp interpolation creates distinct, defined changes from one color to the next. Additionally, you can experiment with the angle and type of gradient. You have options like linear, radial, or reflected gradients. Linear gradients provide a straight line transition, useful for horizontal or vertical effects. Radial gradients emanate from a central point, perfect for spotlight effects. Reflected gradients mirror the colors, which can add a unique symmetry to your text. This technique is perfect for creating eye-catching neon effects, vibrant rainbow text, or even subtle cinematic color blends. By mastering these steps, you can make your text stand out and enhance the overall visual impact of your project. And there you have it. You now know how to create stunning gradient text in DaVinci Resolve. With these techniques, you can add a whole new dimension to your video projects. Keep experimenting with different colors and settings to find the perfect look for your text. Thanks for watching and happy editing.